Let's discuss tags in RemNote. Tags can be used to group different rem together in addition to how you group them in documents and folders. There are a lot of cool workflow options with tags, but first, let's just go over the basics. To tag a rem, type 2 hashtags and enter in the name of a tag. As you can see, it will suggest tags you've created in the past. You can turn any rem itself into a tag, or you can create a new one. So after selecting a tag, it will appear to the right of your rem. You can tag a rem with as many tags as you want. And to remove a tag from a rem, simply click the X beside the tag. So creating new tags is very similar to referencing, in that they're also just rem. If you click on a tag, it will open up a document for the tag, and you can see all the instances in which you use that tag in a purple search box. So those are the basic principles of creating tags. I just want to briefly talk about a couple of ways to use them. First, I like to tag rem if they share a connection but don't share the same lineage or parent. That way, you can always identify how your notes are related to one another by using tags. For this example, I tagged my rem on cystic fibrosis with 3 tags. The original folder for cystic fibrosis lies in my pulmonology folder because of the way it affects your airways and causes respiratory symptoms and recurrent respiratory infections. But I've also tagged it with genetics because cystic fibrosis is a disease caused by a mutation in the CFTR gene. I also tagged it with gastroenterology or GI due to its effects on the pancreas. And I also tagged it with urology because many men who have cystic fibrosis do not develop a vas deferens, meaning they're infertile. So this way, when I study for my urology folder or my genetics folder or my GI folder, cystic fibrosis will show up in my queue if I also expand the tagged search box. And next, I also like to tag specific rem that are very challenging for me to remember or that I know I need to study. That way, you can do a custom study session using only the rem you've tagged. There are many ways to use tags. Those are just some suggestions, but feel free to experiment for yourself. I'll see you guys in the next video.